Hello guys and welcome back to my Let's Play of Super Mario Sunshine. The last time we left off on the legendary Sandbird. Whoa! No! 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 Yes! Okay, that was luck. Do not see how I did that. That was pure luck. I'm not gonna lie to you by saying it was skill, that was pure luck. Oh my god, I think I shot myself. Splat. Damn, didn't expect me to die easy. Right. Yeah, I reckon I'll try and make about 10 episodes today. You know, just done 2 already, I might as well keep it going. Just to try and... Do you know what, I really like this area. I really like it. At the same time, some areas I don't want to spend too much time on. You understand why? Right guys, sorry about that, the shot disconnected, but oh well, let's try it again.
Mario.
Oh, right, alright, we've got all 7 coins now, and I cannot find it. Oh, it's turning. Oh no! No! Don't do this, Sandbird! No! Aha! Score 1 for the Mario. Wait, is he gonna do a what, full turn or something? Or... He's turning back now, he's turning back. Okay. Sorted. Yes. So that's good coin up. Coin. Oh, blue coin, red coin, sorry, but I found a blue coin. Ah, there it is, red coin. Aha! We found it! We have found the red coin! Oh my god, we have found the red coin. Sorted. Yes. Never again. Never ever again. What am I going to do this level? Saying that, I probably will play it back sometime later on in the future, and I will do it again. Because it is a good game. F 43 shines. So what do you actually do with the blue coins? Do you just collect them and that's just like add something like in the game or something? Or, I don't know. But I guess we'll find out sometime in the future. Go on, you guys tell me, I don't know. First, but you know, blah blah blah, something like that. The second Pimento Sand Sprint. Okay. There's a captain up there. Ahar. Speak to this guy. He knows everything apparently. Once we work up a sweat, let's jump in the ocean. Woo! Oh, he's actually running around, fair enough. Nozzle. Right. I am the second Plantissimo. I now would shall. If someone knows the pronunciation, please leave the pronunciation in the comments so I know. And now we shall race to that flag. This is a race to the finish flag. It is a race to the finish flag, sorry, and only one can triumph. By the way, the current record is 35 seconds. Are you up and ready? Then get set and go! I got the win with us. Who else? That's why I think got to get in or something. There he is. Phew, you're pretty good. You have some speed. You've grown ever so slightly in my esteem, slightly. We will meet again and goodbye. He turned into a shine sprite. Oh wait, no, he's still there. Woo, shine. And here we go, once again, back in Delfino Plaza. Ready to jump back in the portal as soon as we come out. I don't know, I just feel like I'm taking too long on these levels. I don't know why. Maybe because my Cyclone's done about, my Sonic Let's Play's done about 20 certain episodes, but this has taken a while. Might be why. This is more of a bigger game, so I don't see why I'm worried. I just am for some reason. Mister, you know where the coral reef is, right? Yes, I do. There's something sparkling out there, I'm sure of it. Look in your eyes, I've seen it before. Go get them. Actually, wait, no, I don't know where the coral reef is, so no! Oh, it's definitely in the ocean, I'll tell you that much. Take it. There's a washy thing down there. What's up there? Sunglass dude! Oh, I love the sunshine, but oh, is it ever bright? Here little man, try to my special sunshades, they're cool. Yeah, now you're starting now. Come back and talk to me when you don't need them anymore. Woo! Sunglasses! I shall better take them off for you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, enough, we'll come back anytime. Man, I really want to use the sunglasses, but it makes the screen darker, so I'm not too sure if you guys can see it well. Coral Reef, found it. Almost missed that then. Almost missed it. We'll confirm this by talking to this guy, hopefully. Coral Reef. There's that rocky spot out in the water. Head to the left of the shop, that's it. Yeah, no. What's this place anyway? Surf Cabana. For a limited time only, famous juice smoothies. Yummers. I want a smoothie. Shine! 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 Oh. How? You have to jump on there. Oh, no, hurt you. Okay, there's a cold reef as well. Okay, can't get into it. Okay, let's do the coral reef first, so it wants about that. Let's figure it out later on. Red coins! Yay! Right, make it through. Okay, we're gonna make it. We still have a bit of time on this thing, so I'll put let's do it. There's another one down here. Just getting that. There we go. Teleported for some reason. Okay, open that. There's 5. There's 6. There's 7. And 8. Oh, cool, it's together. Swing away from me. No, cheating. Cheating. There we go. And we've done it. We have got another shiny sprite. Save, continue. I bet if anything, you guys would prefer for me to watch, like play stuff like horror games or something with shooting or something like that. Something of a bit more action, I guess you guys want me to watch or something. So after this series, I might do Resident Evil a shot. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, and cheers for watching.